my God, I can't even. This is a 5-pack of TPE resistance bands I was sent a review from C Nelling. So let me show you a closer look. We've got 5 widths or strengths of resistance bands in this pack. This one is the extra heavy. This is the thickest and a most difficult band. Oh my gosh. This is for 50 to 130 pounds of resistance. 1.73 inches wide here. Next is this heavy band, which is 1.26 inches wide for 35 to 85 pounds of resistance. Then we have this medium band, 0.83 inches wide for 25 to 65 pounds of resistance. Here is the light band, 0.51 inches thick for 15 to 35 pounds of resistance. And here is the extra light, which is nice and thin. This one is only 1/4 inch, really stretchy, for 5 to 15 pounds of resistance. I love how it comes in such a variety, so you can use these all for yourself, or they're great for a home gym where you're sharing it with your spouse, with your kids, etc. They're smooth and comfortable and really easy to use. Just a great variety. These seem really durable. They're easy to use because each of them is a full loop. So you can grab one end, you can hook the other end onto your exercise equipment or your ankle or whatever, so you can exercise your arms, your legs, you name it. I love this set of resistance bands, and I know you will too.